Hi babes, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'll be showing you a simple soft glam glow eyeshadow tutorial for beginners step by step. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Yeah, so I'm going to start with my brows. As we all know, brows frame the eyes. So I started by applying a translucent setting powder. Then I went ahead with an edge control. That edge control is my ride or die edge control. It doesn't give a white cast and it lays the brow hair flat like no man's business. Then I'll go ahead and just fill in my brow hairs, and I also went ahead to set with the setting powder as well. So doing this, if you have oily skin, it will just help your brows to stay in place. It's not going to budge. Then I cleaned my brows, the top side and the lower part, with a concealer. So this concealer is basically in my shade. So if you want that soft glam look, you want to make sure that whatever you are using are more in your skin color, so it doesn't give off that overly drawn look. Then over to the eyes, I'm going to be using a cell tape by the end part of my eyes. The reason why I'm doing this is to get precision with the placement of my eyeshadow. So doing this gives that soft wing outer corner of the eyes. Then I went in with a concealer. So the first product I'm going to be applying is going to be a bronzer. Yeah, if you have not tried using bronzer, you should use a bronzer. It just helps to blend all the eyeshadow in place. Then I'm going to just go through with the shape of how my eyes is with the tape that I placed at the end. So I'm intentionally placing the shadows on the tape as well, just so it give me that precise finishing. Then I switched my brush from time to time just to get the precision and the placement and the intensity of the eyeshadow that I want. So yeah, for the outer part of my eyes, I'm using brown and black. I'm not using black directly because I want it to be super soft glam eye look. So yeah, I'm mixing the brown into the black. Then for my lid, I went ahead to use a lipstick in blue shade just to serve as my foundation for the eyeshadow I'm going to be applying. And I went to use a matte eyeshadow on top of that, and on top of that I went into a pigment eyeshadow. It is super beautiful and it has some glittering effect. Then in the middle part, to create a halo effect, I went in with a pigment. This pigment has purple reflexes in it, purple and green reflexes, but I think the dominating color is purple. Then afterwards I apply my liquid eyeliner. I fixed my lashes. So in order for me not to overpower this eye, I went with a small lash, so you can still see me wear lashes and you can still see the lash show. Then you will also still see the eyeshadow. Then I took off the cell tape and see how it just gave me a perfect wing. It is beautiful. And if you struggle with getting your wing eyeliner perfect, if you do this tape method, you're just going to place your liquid eyeliner exactly where the tape is and it will give you a perfect wing eyeliner if you have hooded eye. So yeah, I went ahead to apply a black pencil in my waterline, and I also did apply mascara, and look at me looking like, you know, a cup of cake. And that's the finished look, guys. It looks really beautiful. So for my base work, that's my complexion product application. Let me know if you would like to see it in the comment section, and I'll upload that for you guys. I hope you enjoyed this look. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Do not forget to subscribe. Bye.